Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Yes.
Good
Are you
morning,
ready
ma'am.
with workbook?
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, I am going to mute
Good
everybody.
morning, ma'am.
Yes, I have muted everybody. Are you all ready with your workbook, children? Yes, all are ready with your workbook. I told I will conduct a class test also, isn't it? After completing the topic repeated addition, I will conduct a class test. If time is there, I will conduct a class test. Okay. So all are ready with your workbook. So take page number 16 now. Yesterday I took the class from home. I did not able to write the answers on the board yesterday. So today I'm going to share the pages and I'm going to just write the answers over there. You just check whether you have written the correct answer or not. Okay. So all of you take your workbook, page number 16. I'm going to share the board. I'm going to share the pages. Once again, we will just discuss the answers today. Yes. This is the first page, right? Yes. Okay. So we'll just discuss the answers once again. We did yesterday, even then. I will start with Advait. Advait Arun.
Yes, ma'am.
First one. Add and write the number of objects. Number of cones is equal to
6.
6. Yes. Good. Put a tick mark on C. Write 6 and C in the bracket. Next one. Ihan. Second one. Number of tires is equal to
18.
18. Yes. Good. Yesterday we did. Number of tires is equal to 18. Put a tick mark on B. Write 18 on the dash. Write B in the bracket. Now next, William Charles.
Yes, ma'am.
Third one. Number of tails is equal to 4. Yes. Good. Put a tick mark on A. Write 4 on the dash. Write A in the bracket. Yesterday we did. If anybody was absent yesterday, you can do it now. Now next page. Adidev.
Yes, ma'am.
Page number 17. Question number 4. How many groups are there in the picture?
4 group.
4 groups. Yes. Good. Put a tick mark on A and write A in the bracket. Now Durga.
Yes, ma'am.
How many objects are there in each group? In one group?
3.
3 objects. 3 houses are there. Yes. Good. So put a tick mark on C and write C in the bracket. Sarah.
Yes, ma'am.
Sixth one. How many objects are there in total?
12.
12. Yes, good. Put a tick mark on B and write B in the bracket. We did these things yesterday. Now, question number 7.
Yes, ma'am.
7. In repeated addition, we put the objects into dash groups.
Equal.
Equal groups. Yes, good. We put the objects into equal groups. EQUAL. EQUAL. Equal groups to find their total. Sarah, sit on the chair. Yes. Okay. Now, next one. Some groups are there, some apples are there. The questions are given on the next page. So take page number 18. Srived.
Yes, ma'am.
The total number of objects in the given picture is
18.
in the previous
8 plus 8.
no?
8 plus 8.
Where the apples? In the previous page, the picture is in the previous page, the apples. How many apples are there in total, Srived?
16.
16. Yes. So that is the answer to be written over there. The total number of objects in the given picture is 16. Okay. Vaiga Rajivan.
Yes, ma'am.
The number of groups is how many groups are there? In the previous page, check the apples. How many groups are there for the apples?
4.
That's all. The number of groups is 4. Okay, good. Mute. Next one. Dev and Diol. Dev will tell me the first one. Write the number of sheep in each group. Number 10.
5.
5. Yes. The number of sheep in each group is 5. Yes. Now Diol. Write the total number of sheep.
15.
15. Yes. Good. Okay. Mute dear. Okay. Then question number 12. How will you read the given picture? There are 3 groups, isn't it? 3 groups and 5 sheep. So you have to read like this. 3 groups of 5 sheep. Three groups of 5 sheep. Written? Now question number 13. Identify the number of groups in the given picture. Count the number of dogs in each group and write the total number of dogs. So you have to write all the statements and you have to do the repeated addition in question number 13. Now what should be the first statement? Muhammad Wazim. What should be the first statement? Number.
Number of
Yes. Number of
is
number of groups is equal to. How many groups are there?
4.
4 groups. Yes. Good. Good, Basim. Mute. Number of groups is equal to 4. Now, next statement. Santino.
Yes, ma'am.
What should be the next statement, Santino?
Number of each
Number of? Yes,
Number
number of
of
dogs
each
group.
Number of dogs in each.
Number of dogs in each group is equal to, how many dogs are there?
6.
6. Yes. Good. Mute. Number of dogs in each group is equal to 6. Good. Mute. Now next one. Muhammad Ilham.
Yes, ma'am.
What should be the last statement here?
Total number of
Yes.
dogs.
Yeah. Good. Total dogs is equal to, which number is to be repeated and how many times?
6.
6 is to be repeated and how many times?
4 times.
4 times. Good. So 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. 4 times 6 is to be repeated. Okay. Good. Good, dear. Mute. Now, who is left to answer now? Dia Jibu.
Yes, ma'am.
Dia, we have to take 2 numbers at a time, isn't it? So 6 plus 6? First,
12.
12. Yes, good. 6 plus 6 is 12. Again, you have to put the plus sign. Again, 6 plus 6 is 12. So at last, what is 12 plus 12? Put a line here and write the numbers 12 plus 12 and add it.
$24.
24. Yes, 2 plus 2 is 4 and 1 plus 1 is 2. So how many dogs are there in total?
24 dogs.
24 dogs are there. Good. Good, dear. So this is the answer. Those who have finished, turn over the page. Next page, page number 19. Now, who is left to Helen? Adide, what you are doing, Adide? What are you doing, my dear? Keep the scale there. Are you writing? Are you doing your work? Lift the book up and show me. Okay, okay. Now, next page. Page number 14. Identify the number of groups in the given picture. Count the number of deer in each group. Calculate the total number of deer in the picture. That is the question. Helen. First statement. First statement.
Number of groups.
Number of groups. How many are there?
4.
4. Number of groups is equal to 4. Good. Mute, my dear. Now let me search a person who did not. Yes, Darshit.
Yes, ma'am.
Second statement.
Number of
Ah,
deer in each group.
yes, number of deer in each group is equal to
3.
3. Yes, good, Darshit. Mute. Now, Madhav.
Total number is
Ah,
number of
total,
deer.
total deer is equal to which number is to be repeated and how many times?
3.
3 is to be repeated. How many times? Madhav, 3 is to be repeated how many? 4 times. Okay. Yes.
4.
Okay, okay. Good. Mute. Now two numbers has to be taken together. Okay, mute dear, mute. Who is that sitting unmuted? I told to mute, no. Now John.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. John 3 plus 3?
4.
Huh?
6.
Yes, 3 plus 3 is 6. Then plus sign has to be put over here in the middle. Then again 3 plus 3?
6.
6. Then we have to add these two numbers. 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6 is? John.
12.
12. Yes. 6 plus 6 is 12. So how many deer are there?
12.
12 deer are there altogether. Good. Mute. Good dear. Now, Juanita.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Juanita, Rajesh has 3 birds. How many wings do the birds have altogether? 2 wings are there for each bird, isn't it?
Yes.
So which number is to be repeated and how many times, dear?
3.
3 is to be repeated.
2.
2. The wings are repeated, isn't it? Wings are repeated and how many times? 3 times.
3.
Okay. So what is the final answer? 2 plus 2 plus 2.
2 plus 2, 4.
Yes, 2 plus 2 is 4. Then 4 and the next 2 which is remaining over there. 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2?
6.
6. Yes. Good. So there are 6 wings altogether. Right, 6 wings. Okay. Now question number 16. Now who is left to answer? I saw Meenakshi. Anybody else is there? Okay. Done? Okay. Meenakshi, Rayan, Devna, Jodha. Yes, Meenakshi.
Yes, ma'am.
Meenakshi, question number 16. A square has 4 corners. How many corners do 5 squares have altogether? So what should be the first statement? Meenakshi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What should be the first statement? Number of?
Number
Number of.
groups.
Okay. Number of groups is equal to
5.
5. Yes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 squares are there. So number of groups is equal to 5. Okay. Good. Mute. Now, space is given for the next statement and the next page. Ryan, what should be the next statement? Ryan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What should be the next statement?
Ma'am,
Number of?
number each group.
Number of?
Each group.
Number of what in each group? What is to be found out?
Ma'am, 4.
Number of what? Number of something in each group, isn't it? Number of what in each group? Read the question. A word is given over there. A square has 4 corners. How many corners are there altogether? Ryan. So number of what in each group?
Ma'am, 4. 4
What?
corners.
Tell me the statement. Number of?
4 corners.
So what is to be written over there? Number of corners in each group
Each group.
is equal to 4. Yes. Okay. Mute. Mute. Good. Now next person is Devana. Devana, what should be the last statement? Devana, the last statement.
There are
Huh?
6 lions. How
What is it, Devna? It's not clear.
lion? How many legs do the lion have altogether?
I did not tell you to read the question. I told what should be the last statement. What I have to write over there. Number of groups, number of corners in each group. Then what should be the last one? Last statement.
Total numbers.
Total number of what? Total total what?
Total number of group.
Number of
Group.
No. Total number of?
Total number of corners.
Corners. Total corners is equal to which number is to be repeated? Huh?
5.
5. Which number? First, which number I have to write over there? Fast, my dear.
5.
Oof, I can hear only 5. I can hear only 4. Aditi. Wait. Aditi Arun. Aditi Arun.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Which number is to be repeated and how many times, dear?
4.
4 is to be repeated. How many times?
5 times.
5
4
times.
times.
Yes. 1,
Yes.
2, 3, 4, 5. 2 numbers at a time. Then again 2 numbers. Then 4 plus 4?
8.
8. Then again plus sign is to be written down. Then again 4 plus 4?
8.
8. Then 1 4 is remaining over here. So we have to write that number down. Then 8 plus 8 is to be added. 8 plus 8?
16.
8 plus 8, 16. Then 16 plus 4. Oh,
Ma'am,
yes.
16 plus
4.
4. 20.
20. Yes. 16 plus 4 is 20. Good. So there are 20 corners in 4 squares altogether. So this is the answer. Jodha, I am seeing you the first time. Always your video is off, isn't it? Yes. You have net problem, my dear? Unmute?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Did you complete all the notes? Whether the notes are completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, dear. Yes. So some more, 2 more questions are left. We will do it tomorrow, and I will conduct the class test also tomorrow. Okay. Have you done? Did you all finish? Yes. Okay. So I told that I will conduct a class test tomorrow. Yesterday I told, but the topic is not over. 2 more questions are left in repeated addition. So tomorrow maths period is there. Tomorrow we will complete the topic and I will conduct the class test out of 8. Okay, 10 minutes will be given for completing your work. It will be through link. Okay, so we will meet tomorrow. You have to be ready with your workbook as well as you have to prepare. You have to be prepared for the test also. On Monday onwards, we will start skip counting. Okay, children. So let me unmute everybody.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. you.
Thank